And this is one of the seal made up of the soft stone. Now what you can observe, who is this man? What he was doing? Yeah, tell me. Pashupati means what? Who is Pashupati? Another form of Shiva. Fine, I want the meaning for the Pashupati. Pashupati is nothing but the god of animals, and who protect the animals. And this man right now, he is in the meditation posture. What kind of asana it is? I think if you are familiar with the yoga, you can say Padmasana. It's not Padmasana. If you closely observe this asana, it is Bhadrasana. Here, the points of the two legs were in place like this. So it is Bhadrasana. And this man, he has 3 heads and a kind of horns. You can observe horns. Then, what else? Look at this object. What is this? Elephant. Very good. Yeah. Then, what is this? Yeah. Buffalo, tiger. Okay, and rhinoceros. If you closely observe it, and you can see the elephant, tiger, rhinoceros, and buffalo and rhinoceros. At the bottom here we have the 2 deers. Here this man was surrounded by the animals. So what are the animals that were found in the Pashupati Mahadeva seal? Tiger. Okay, if tiger has to exist, what kind of climate, what kind of ecosystem must be there? If climate has to survive, what kind of ecosystem should be there? Yeah, tropical. Don't you have tigers in Russia? Is it a tropical country? It's a temperate country. You tell me. Yeah, where do you find the tigers, my dear, in India? Yeah? Tiger lives always in the thick forest. Okay, tiger is a solitary animal. It would not mingle with the people. It would always be in the isolation. Am I correct or not? But lion was a social animal and it has its own pride. It lives with its group. But whereas a tiger always, it lives in the thick forest, in the jungle only. When they minted the tiger, when they made tiger in the seals, so definitely they might have seen the tigers in their surroundings. If tigers has to present, forest must be there. Now what kind of area it is? Mohenjo-daro right now in the Sindh region. Go to Sindh region, you don't find the thick forest. Then what happened to the thick forest? The entire thick forest was gone. There was a tremendous change in the land use, and we cut down the forest and made these land as agricultural land or else the cities. Okay. Now gradually these changes were happened. And look at the rhinoceros, my dear. Yesterday I said that at Inamgaon, in Chalkolidi sites, we found the rhinoceros. And the Sindh people also experienced the rhinoceros. If rhinoceros has to be present, yeah, you must have the high rainfall, point number 1. And you must have the lakes, you must have the swamp areas. Okay, otherwise your rhinoceros cannot exist. So it means in Mohenjo-daro, in 3000 BC, a large number of the lakes, a large number of the swamp areas and the high rainfall might be there. Otherwise, rhinoceros cannot exist. So here, by just looking at the seal, we are going to estimate what kind of geography could have existed. This is what the importance of history. Write down. Pashupati Mahadeva seal was Pashupati Mahadeva seal was found. Pashupati Mahadeva seal was found. He was surrounded by, he was surrounded by elephant, tiger, buffalo, rhinoceros, and two deers. Once UPS asked a question, what kind of animals were present in the Pashupati Mahadeva scene? So we thought that why these UPSC or the public service commissions, they are focusing on the each and every fact. Here they don't want to know about the kind of facts. If you identify the tiger, now you are going to understand the kind of ecosystem that was present. So market, very, very important. Market important. He was in Bhadrasana, which indicates the existence of yoga. So yoga is 3000 BC, ancient. It was so antique. So if I ask you that, who is the pioneer of the yoga, and we people say that Patanjali, he wrote the Yoga Bhashya. It's not the Patanjali of Baba Ramdev. Actually, there is a person called Patanjali, and who created the Yoga Bhashya, and we attribute the yoga to the Patanjali. But even before the Patanjali, we have these kind of yogic systems in our Indian culture.